In this quick WordPress tutorial for beginners, I want to show you how you can change the email address that you have set up as the admin email address when you have installed your WordPress website. So let's say you want to change that email address to something else. Then in this tutorial, I want to show you step by step how you can do that. It's very easy to do, so follow along. So first off, you want to log in to your WordPress dashboard, and this is the main screen. And if you go to the settings option over here, then you go to the general settings by clicking on it. And over here you can see the administration email address over here. I have blurred mine out because it's my private email address and I don't want that to be displayed. But as you can see below, you can see that it says this address is used for admin purposes. If you change this, an email will be sent to your new address to confirm it. The new address will not become active until confirmed. So the only thing you have to do to change the administration email address or the admin email address is you have to go over to this box. Just enter the email address that you want to change it to. So enter the new email address, and after that you can scroll down and then you can click on the Save Changes option. And after that an email will be sent out to the email address. Then the only thing you have to do is click on Confirm, and after that the new email will be active as the admin email for your WordPress website. So that were the steps. It's very easy to do. So a quick summary is you have to log in into your WordPress dashboard, go to the settings option, click on general, scroll down to the administration email address field, change the email address to the new email that you want to set up for your WordPress website as the admin email, click on Save Changes, and then you have to confirm the email that will be sent out to your email address. So that's it. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you want to learn more about WordPress and affiliate marketing and other topics that are helpful for content creators, make sure to like the video, also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. And with that being said, thanks for watching, hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you back again in the next video.